good people. I hope everything is going well with you all. This is Mori from ASL BPO welcoming you back to yet another videos of our. Today's topic is keyword research. In the first video, I stated that I will continue this discussion in the second part also. So, without any further ado, let's get started with the video.
Before we start, please hit the subscribe button, and if you are in YouTube, click on the alert notification.
In the last video, we have understand what is keyword research and what kind of keyword research are there. Today, we are going to start our discussion where should we add the keyword. Always, we should use a discretion when adding keywords and prioritize readability. We should make sure not to overstuff the keywords. We all should add the keyword into page title or the SEO title, in the subheadings, in the introduction, in image alter text, meta description, and of course in the URL slug. Let's now discuss how do I choose the keywords. I think you are thinking about how you will choose the keywords, right? Let me give you some ideas on that. At first, you have to consider the search intent. When you choose your keywords in the first step, think about your visitors are looking for. Content of a decent website will address each of these three pages, which are awareness, consideration, and decision stage of the buying process. In this manner, you may draw in the customers and traffic regardless of where they are in the cycle. The second one is you have to do some keyword research. That means if you do the keyword research, it will help you narrow down your targeted terms. You can pay a business to do this for you, or you can use a free tool to find the keyword. In both ways, you can get help from ASL BPO, which provides SEO services to small and medium-sized companies throughout the whole globe. Third one is the evaluate the competition. During keyword research, it is essential to consider the competition for the keywords you want to use. You may waste your time if a term has a lot of competition. You may determine a term or phrase competition score by examining the corresponding field. Pick the right keywords. Once you have done your keyword research and analyzed the competition, it's time to choose the best keywords for you and to focus on that. Lastly, cluster keywords on one page. You don't want to write a new article for each variation of same words or phrases. Instead, group the keywords with a high degree of similarity and use them on a single page. A good rule of a thumb is to use 2 to 3 keywords on each page. How should keyword priorities to be set? Putting your keywords in order of importance and deciding where to focus your attention is probably the hardest and the most individual part of keyword research. There are too many things to consider when picking the right keywords for your business. Consider factors such as traffic potential, ranking difficulty, and search intent. You also need to think about whether or not ranking for a certain keyword is worth it. What keywords should we focus on first? Unfortunately, this question is not easily answered. It depends is a common phrase among search engine optimization. Keyword research isn't about finding keywords that are easy to rank for. Instead, it's about finding keywords that are relevant to your business. You should also have short-term, medium-term, and long-term ranking goals. If you only care about short-term goals, you will never rank for the keywords that bring in most money. Keyword research tools. Without the right tools, keyword research is almost impossible to do. Let's now talk about some free keyword research tools for you. The first one is Google Keyword Planner. In the past, the most popular place to begin SEO keyword research was Google's AdWords Keyword Planner. Keyword Planner, on the other hand, restricts search volume data by grouping terms into large search volumes range buckets. Next is Google Trends. Google Keyword Trend tool is a great way to find out how keywords change with the season. Moz Keyword Explorer. This tool uses live clickstream data to to get search volume data so that you get the most relevant results for your keyword. Ahrefs Webmaster Tools. In addition to showing the keywords for which your website ranks, Ahrefs Webmaster Tools also shows the keyword's difficulty values. SEMrush Keyword Research. This tool will boost your traffic and help you conquer the SERP. Let's now talk about the Keyword Valuation tool. You have researched the keywords and you can also evaluate them with some free tools. Let's discuss the free tools. Google Search Console or Webmaster Tool. It will show you all the search queries for which your website is now ranking and from which it is receiving the clicks. Besides Google, Webmaster Tools also help other search engines on keyword valuations. For example, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, DuckDuckGo Webmaster Tools. I tried to cover all the fundamentals of keyword research in these two videos. If you want to know more, let me know the topic in the comment section. I would love to make those videos for you. And if you don't want to do your own keyword research, SEO or digital marketing, you can contact SLBPO and they will surely help you. You can go to others also, but at least I can say that you will get the most transparent service and a comprehensive analysis report at every step from SLBPO. See you in the next video.